रिकॉर्डिंग देख ली थी मैंने.
Recording देख लेते हैं. Okay. Well, we have done these plane of symmetry concepts in the capacitor circuit also. So we need to find out this resistance between A and B. Logic was, if there is a plane of symmetry, all the resistors which lies will be removed. Any junction which is on the plane of symmetry will be opened. Any junction which lies on plane of symmetry will be opened like this, so that there will not be any current. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B in this circuit. Similar question we did, little different only. Yes. Pranay? Okay. Find the resistance between A and B. So the new circuit that we will draw, the junction is open, those vertical resistors are gone. So there are two resistors at the top, and there will be these two resistors from the bottom, and likewise here also. R, 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 R. Those two junctions are opened, and the vertical resistors will be gone. What is the equivalent?
6/7R, I think.
3R/2 and 2R in parallel, right? So it will be in the numerator, in the first branch. 2R become R plus R plus R. So 3R in the topmost branch, 2R in the middle branch, and 3R on the lower branch. Then is all these three are in parallel. 3R/7. 3R/7, I guess, yes. R equivalent is 3R/7. Right? Symmetry circuit, and similarly there was another folding circuit. In the folding circuit or horizontal plane of symmetry circuit, we can take the plane of symmetry as mirror, and the mirror points will be at same potential. So this was the first case of symmetry circuit. Second case was,
Sir, can you move back to the previous page?
1/R equivalent is 1/R1 plus 1/R2 plus 1/R3. So this becomes 6R, 2 plus 3 plus 2, which is 7/6R, 1/R equivalent. So what? It is 6R/7.
Yes, sir. So resistor circuits are easier to calculate.
Resistor circuits are
Easier to calculate.
as compared to capacitor circuit.
Yes, sir. उसमें वो series को reciprocal करना पड़ता है ना, तो it takes more time.
So same, I think nothing.
I think because more connections are made in series in most questions.
Okay. Second circuit is circuits having extra connecting wire. And circuits having extra connecting wire. So I'm taking those cases which we did in the capacitor, almost a similar case, but only the series and parallel formula is opposite. The formula for capacitor series become parallel for resistor. Likewise. So in any circuit, if there are different wires connected, maybe like this. Yeah, so this is the circuit. Between A and B, this is the circuit, and there are different. So R, and R. Now these points are connected together. So points which are connected together by wires are at same potential. B is not connected to anywhere by the wire. B is, but these points are connected together. One is connected here also. So this is also one is connected here also. So that is one. If there is no resistor in between, potential difference will be zero. Potential difference is zero means they can be considered the same point, same potential. Same potential means there will not be any current in between them. Right. So when we join this, we have to redraw the circuit by taking A and B at the terminal, one in between. So between A and 1, there are two resistance R and R in series. Then there is another resistance of R. Then there is another, yeah, please solve this. I think we know how to solve this. Solve and Yes. So what is the resistance between A and 1? R, 2R and R. These three are in parallel. So 1 upon R equivalent is 1 upon R plus 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon R. That become 5 by 2R, I think. So equivalent resistance will become 2R by 5. It becomes 2R by 5. और दूसरे वाले में R and R in parallel, that become R by 2, and these two will be in series. So 2R by 5 plus R by 2, which is 9R by 10. 9R by 10. So in these cases, when there is extra wire, that wire means there is zero potential drop. Zero potential drop means both the points will be at same potential. Both will be given as same number. Both will be given as same number. So based on the same logic, there are a few questions I want you to solve. Right. From the worksheet, solve question number 9. मैं इसकी थोड़ी वैल्यू क्लियर कर देता हूँ, ये थोड़ी वैल्यू शायद दिख नहीं रही हो. Question number 9. This is 6 ohm. 6 ohm, 6 ohm, 3, 10, 10, and this is 8. Yes, solve this circuit. Yeah, just a second. Question number 9. Done. Question number 9 I think there will be one more method we'll have to use. This is B. This is also B. और ये सारे points को हम ले लेते हैं 1, 1. This will become 1. This will become 1. And here it is 2. So when we redraw this circuit, we take A and B at the ends. 2 and 1. Between A to 2, there is a 10 ohm resistor. Between A to 2, there is a 10 ohm resistor. So 10 ohm and 10 ohm. Between A to 1, there is a 5 ohm resistor. Between A to 1, there is a 5 ohm resistor. 2 to 1 में 8 ohm का resistor है. This is 8 ohm resistor. Between 2 to B, there is a 3 ohm resistor at the top. And at the bottom, there are two resistors, each of 6 ohm. So ये क्या बन गया? अगर हम इस 10 को करते हैं तो इस become 5 ohm. Here 6 and 6 in parallel become 3 ohm. So 5 by 5, 3 by 3, this 8 ohm will be in diagonal which of the Wheatstone bridge, balanced Wheatstone bridge, that will be removed from the circuit. Right? Okay. So this is answer will be 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 and 8 in parallel will become 4. Solve question number 10 and question number 11. Question number 11 mein there is a battery of 12 volt. You have to find the potential difference. So I into R equivalent. Solve question number 10 and 11.
So 11 में क्या निकल रहा है हमको?
Yes, sorry, I had something to deal with. Class number, question number 10. What is the answer?
3R
It's a
by
very
2.
easy question. Yes. How much?
3R by 2.
3R by 2. Yes, so R and R in parallel, that become R by 2, R and R in parallel, R by 2. From the bottom side also R by 2, R by 2. And these will be R by 2 and R by 2. Okay, so A and 1, that is R by 2. Here in the top there are 2 R by 2. At the bottom there are 2 R by 2. And there is a 1 resistor of R by 2 here also. So between point A and B, when we solve this, ऊपर ही R by 2 R, नीचे R by 2 R, 3 R by 2 is the answer. Absolutely correct. Question number 11. Question number 11, in this circuit, network of resistors is connected with a 12-volt battery. Find the potential between AB, BC, and CD. That's the question is asking. Total resistance of the circuit, R and 4 in parallel, that becomes 2 ohm. 12 and 6 in parallel, how much? 72 by 18. 4? 4. So that will be again 4 ohm. Equivalent resistance of this circuit will be how much? 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1, which is 8 ohm. Total equivalent resistance is 8 ohms, so we can find the current in this circuit, and from the current we can find the potential difference between points A and B. So I is equal to V by R equivalent, which is 12 by 8 ampere. तो जब A और B के बीच का potential निकालेंगे, it will be I into 2. B और C के बीच का निकालेंगे, it is I into 1. C और D के बीच में निकालेंगे तो 4 plus 1 5. We have to use all these resistors. VAB is I into 2, VBC is I into 1, and VCD is I into 5. Correct? Yeah, what will be the answer? A or B के बीच में. So this is 1.5, 1.5 into 2 is 3, 3, 1.5, and I think 7.5. 3, 1.5, and 7.5, which is A option. Question number 12. Yes, question number 12. Looks little complicated, but it's very easy. I think the options are not matching, but no problem. It's asking the current. 16 resistors are connected like this, and we have to find the current between A and B in this branch. That is the value I. क्या करेंगे फिर हम? There are R and R and R such 4 resistors, R by 4, R and R and R resistor 4, R by 4, R by 4. Now again we use that point connected with the same potential. Points connected by wire will be at same potential. So if this is A, all of these will be A, and A. Similarly here B. So we can club all these 4 points together, by the way. So R by 4, R by 4, and this in the between bottom side is also R by 4. So between A and B, here is a resistance of R by 4. Between A to 1, it will be R by 4. Between 1 to 2, there is another R by 4. And between 2 to B, there is another R by 4. And then there is a battery of 24 volt is connected. I think none of the option will match. You are solving in the other batch, but you can check and verify by yourself. Correct? Right. So R by 4, R by 4, and R by 4. I think R is how much? 15. So this will become 5 by 4 into 3. 15 by 4 ohm in the upper branch and 5 by 4 ohm in the lower branch, and these two are in parallel. 1 upon R equivalent is 4 by 15 plus 4 by 5, which becomes 16 by 15. It is 1 upon R equivalent. So R equivalent is 15 by 16 ohm. From this we can find the current, and then current we need to distribute. How will we distribute? So I suppose current is getting divided into these two branches, I1 and I2. So Current is always inversely proportional to the resistance. Current is inversely proportional to the resistance. Therefore, I1 total resistance is 15 by 4. I2, the total resistance in that branch is 5 by 4. Can you solve it further? हमें क्या करना है, इस करंट से पहले I1 निकालना है. लॉजिक ये है कि इन सारे सबको मिला के टोटल करंट इज I. So in any one of such branch, the current will be I by 4, I by 4, I1 by 4, I1 by 4, I1 by 4. So that current we have to calculate. The current that we have taken as I1 is the whole combined current of all these four branches. Yes, solve for I1. कैसे करेंगे हम? बेटा समझ आ रहा है? नीति, नव्या,
Yes, sir.
what is the value of I1 then?
So I'm calculating to 7.
What is the value of I1? I was waiting. Total current आ जाएगी. So wait, I'll just copy it here. Anyone? Arnav, what is the value of I1?
1 second.
Current is divided into the two branches, and when current divides, we apply the logic that current is inversely proportional to the resistance. By using this, we can find the ratio and then we can find the current division. So we'll use a general approach. General means if suppose there are 3 resistors and current is getting divided. So since I is inversely proportional to R, the current when it gets divided is inversely proportional to R. So ऊपर वाले में I1, नीचे वाले में I2. The resistance of R1 is 3 times. So I1 by I2 will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3. ये मैंने रेशियो निकाल लिया 15 by 4 to 5 by 4. Resistance ratio is 3, so inverse ratio will be 1 by 3. I1 is equal to I2, I2 is equal to 3 I1, and the total current I1 plus I2 is I. And how much was I? I has to be V, total V divided by R equivalent. I is the current delivered by the battery. बैटरी का पोटेंशियल 24 वोल्ट, करंट हमने निकाल सॉरी रेजिस्टेंस हमने निकाल लिया तो 15 by 16. So this is the current in this branch, and now I1 plus I2 is I2 is 3 I1, so 4 times I1 is I1 will become I by 4. और हमें I1 का भी 1/4 करना है because I1 is the whole current. So current between A and B is this current getting divided into 4 equal branches. So in any one of this branch will be I1 by 4. I1 is I by 4, so it become I by 16, and I by 16 will become 24 by 15 ampere, which is I think not given in any one of the options. So there are such questions with this DPP, maybe it will critic mistake or all. Right?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Chalo. Next question. So you have to solve this question on your own. I mean, not just wait for me to solve it. This question number 13. Again, this is the connection by wire. I will not solve this. You have to give me the answer. The logic here is again these resistors. Okay. I think again little bit confusion. This 4 ohm resistance value is of this left side. 6 ohm, 6 ohm, 2 ohm. So in this case, what we do, this resistance of 4 ohm is 4 ohm is the value of this resistance here, and these vertical resistors are 6 ohm and 6 ohm. So if we consider this as point A, ये जिससे भी connect होगा by a wire. If there would have been a resistance in between, then we cannot write this as A. Similarly, this point is B. B is connected here as B, and the rest 2 points we can take 1 and 2. First we'll find out which points are at same potential, then we find out where the battery is connected, and then we have to, so A, B, 1 and 2. Battery is connected between A and B, so we always take those 2 points at the end where the battery is connected. A to 1, how many resistors and what are their value? A to 1, there are two 4 ohm resistors, 4 ohm and 4 ohm. 1 to 2, how many resistance? Is there any resistance between 1 to 2?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay, no resistance between 1 to 2. 1 to B,
Yes, sir. 1.
1 to B, there is a resistance of 2 ohm, right? Okay. A to 2, A to 2, there is a
Yes,
resistance
2
of
minus 2.
2 ohm. And 2 to B, there are two resistance of 6 ohm and 6 ohm. It's a normal circuit, 6 and 6 in parallel, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. And 2 and 4, 5 and 4 in the parallel, and then we'll find out the current given by the battery. So total, okay, you have to check because there are two different batteries connected, and I think it should not be by mistake. So what will be the total potential? Total potential drop across this will be total EMF is 12 plus 2, 14. So V will be 14 volt, and R equivalent जो हमने यहाँ से calculate किया है, we'll use that R equivalent. I think answer will not match because again there is some mistake. Mistake is what, that this is one is an opposite polarity. Otherwise, there is no point of using two different. The polarities are opposite, positive and negative. So 12 minus 2, then it will be 10 volt. There are some mistakes in the typing mistake in this. Yeah, please write. So 12 and 2 are in opposite direction. So that become 12 minus 2 or 10. Right. Yes. Which option is matching? Total resistance is what? What is total resistance of this circuit? Navya, what is the total resistance? Again, I think that something is wrong. 5 and this become 2 plus 2, 4. So it will be R equivalent is the equivalent of 5 and 4, that is 20 by 9. And I will be equal to V upon R equivalent. So it is 10 divided by 20 by 9, which is 9 by 2, not in the option. So don't worry. By mistake. So the correct answer will be 9 by 2 is the current given by the battery. And in this, there are some problem like this. Okay, Wheatstone bridge circuit. Question number 17. In the circuit shown in the figure, find the current through these resistors. Current through 3 ohm resistance, 3 ohm resistance. This is 3 ohm resistance is 0.5 ampere. Current through 3 ohm resistance is 1 ampere and current through 4. So हम क्या करेंगे? We will do this one by one, like step by step. We will reduce this circuit. We will reduce this circuit step by step and so by symmetry we can see that the last branch has resistance of 8. 4 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8. 8 plus 8, it becomes 4. So after solving that one loop, it again becomes same 4, 2 and 2. And then it is 8, 3, 3 and 9. Yeah. By using this, we can say yeah, 2 plus 4 plus 2, again it become 8 and 8 and 8 in parallel. And then that become 4, 4 plus 3, sorry, it is 2. So 4 plus 3 plus 2, what is the total equivalent resistance? Total equivalent resistance becomes 9 ohm. The current drawn from the battery is 9B upon R equivalent, and that will be equal to 1 ampere. So 3 ohm में जो current है, that is 1 ampere. Yeah, solve this. One ampere and 3 ohm, and then because these are the two identical resistance, so it will be equally divided 0.5 and 0.5. Half and half, it will be equally divided. And then this 0.5 will again get this 0.5 will again get divided into these two branches. So this will be 0.25 into 0.25. So options क्या थे? 3 ohm में current है 1 ampere. In this 4 ohm, the current is 0.25 ampere. So because it is identical, okay, solve further questions. Just solve question number 16. Yeah, wait, this question number 15. Solve question number 15 and 16. Done. What is the answer for question number 15?
So A option. 2 R and R.
A option. ये दोनों vertical वाले resistors हट जाएंगे and then become 4R, 2 small r and 4 capital R in parallel, and then we solve it will be A option. Very nice. Question number 16. Question number 16. Yes, yes. Question number 16. Done. 2 by 3 is 4 by 6. ये बीच वाला 5 हट जाएगा. It is like the Wheatstone bridge. ये A. This is B. इसमें 0.1 and 0.2. A to 1 2 ohm, A to 2 3 ohm, 1 to B 4 ohm, and 2 to B 6 ohm. वन और टू के बीच में दिस 5 ohm. So since 2 by 3 is 4 by 6, it will be gone. ऊपर आ जाएगा 2 and 4 in series और नीचे आ जाएगा 3 and 6 in series. What is the resistance value? What is the answer?
So 18 by 5.
18 by 5. Right. Okay. Perfect. So हम आगे भी कंटिन्यू रखते हैं. Question number 18. Yes. 18 में क्या करना है? We'll have to distribute the current by using the similar formula जो भी हम पहले कर रहे थे. दोनों में पोटेंशियल सेम होगा एंड देन दोनों में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस सेम होगा एंड देन करंट अकॉर्डिंगली विल फाइंड द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. जैसे B और A के बीच का पोटेंशियल, सो दैट विल बी I1 into 2. इट विल बी 2I1. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन D to A निकाल रहे हैं. D से A की तरफ जाएंगे तो करंट के अपोजिट जा रहे हैं, इसलिए इट विल बी -3I2. So first solve for the value of I1 and I2 and then calculate this potential between CD. Again, it will be -3I2. All these values that we have to calculate and potential of B to D. Potential of B to D के लिए पहले हम करेंगे VB minus VA plus VA minus VD. So VB से VD की तरफ जाओगे ये आ जाएगा -2I1 और A से D की तरफ जाओगे तो +3I2. Solve this. What is the value of I1 and I2 here? कितना है I1? ऊपर वाले में था ये 5 ohm, so 5 times I1, नीचे की तरफ 6, I is equal to 6 I2, so I1 is equal to 1.2 times I2. Again, I think here also the answer is not matching. Yes, answer will not match here also. In this case, something is wrong. I1 plus I2 की value है 2 ampere. Whoever has worksheet में, but at least see how to solve. Put I1 as 1.2 I2, so 2.2 I2 is equal to 2. I2 will become 2 upon 2.2, which is 10 by 11. So 10 by 11 आ गया I2 और I1 आ जाएगा 12 by 11. 12 by 11 and 10 by 11. So I think none of the option will match here because the answer is not correct. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question is right. So बाकी हमने कर लिए questions. Next type of case. Next case is this is the circuit having extra connection wire. फिर हमने किया था short circuit and open circuit. The questions involving open circuit and short circuit. Open circuit and short circuit में क्या था? हमने कुछ cases किए थे like these type of, if this is a part of network of the circuit and there is A, B, C and D and each resistance here is R. Now the battery can be connected only between the two resistors. Battery can be connected only between the two resistors, right? 2 points. बाकी जो 2 points होंगे वो they will be left hanging in air, so they cannot draw any current from the circuit. Whether C is open and D is open. C will not draw any current and D will not draw any current. So उसको हम हटा देंगे circuit से. These are the open end and open end में कोई current नहीं जाएगी because it will not. Right, so this is open circuit. इसमें क्या होगा? ऊपर वाले ये दोनों हट जाएंगे R R. This will give you overall circuit. What will be the overall resistance then? K R plus R plus R. This is 3R. 3R and R in parallel become 3R by 4. R 3R by 4 and R. And then we connect a battery. 3R by 4 and R in series, so that becomes how much? 11R by 4? 11R by 4. Just check and verify it's correct. Right. Okay. Short circuit केस में क्या करते हैं हम? Short circuit means when there is a resistor and when both the terminals of any resistor are connected together. Okay, I'm randomly drawing this circuit so we can understand this is point A, this is point B और बीच में कुछ wires लगे हुए हैं. R, 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 this is R, this is R, this is R and R. This case is for short circuit. So these point one, this can also be point one and this is also point one. So now when we redraw this circuit, right? So 1 and 1 and 1, they are connected together. So point A, point B and 1. Between A and 1, these two R and R. Between 1 to 1, these two are resistors which are connected between point 1 and 1. And then between 1 and B, these two R and R. So these two R and 2R will be in series and these two will be gone. These two will be gone and these two are short circuited. When both the terminals are connected together, they are short circuited. 2R and 2R, this becomes 4R. So equivalent resistance is 4R. Right? Okay. So let me just. Okay, I think that's it for today. We'll continue from next week.
Thank you, sir.